Does your Astro van sound like this? What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I got something a little bit different for this video. I have my Astro van, which is making a terrible sound as you just heard in that short little clip. And I'm going to be fixing it, so I figured I'd make a quick little video in case it helps anybody out. Alright, so I'm pretty sure the sound is coming from my belt tensioner. So I got a new one right here as well as a Serpentine belt. I'll put all the part numbers in the description below for you guys. And yeah, I think we can get started. So very first thing is I gotta get this airbox out of the way because as you can see, I can't really access anything. These Astro vans are really compact and you can't really get in there. So hopefully just the airbox needs to come out and I can access the belt, but we'll see. Alright guys, so that's the belt tensioner right there. So what I'm going to do, it's kind of hard to see because of this fan, but right there I'm going to put a 3/8 drive and just to get the tension off of the belt, and then I can slip the belt right off. Once that's done, it's just this one bolt to get the tension off, put the new one in, new belt, and should be good to go. Alright, so I got the belt on there. Sorry I couldn't show it on video because it's pretty tight in there. Mine actually has a diagram right here, which is really nice. So it even shows you the non-AC version. But I would recommend maybe before you even take the belt off, maybe take a picture so you know where everything goes. But I got it on there, so I'm just going to start the van and make sure that it's good. And hopefully that annoying sound is gone. Alright guys, well there you have it. If your Astro van is making that annoying sound, it could very well be your belt tensioner, so make sure you check that, and it's a pretty easy job to do. So thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.